Liam and Zoe had been best friends since they were kids, always coming up with fun challenges to see who was the best at different things. One afternoon at the park, Liam stretched his arms and grinned. "All right, Zoe," he said. "I challenge you to a race. First one to the big oak tree and back wins." Zoe smirked. "Oh, you're on. But don't be mad when I leave you in the dust." They stood side by side, feet planted firmly in the grass. "Ready, set, go." Both friends took off, sprinting as fast as they could. The wind rushed past their faces as they dashed toward the towering oak tree at the other end of the park. Liam had a strong start, but Zoe was quick on her feet and soon caught up. "Not bad, Liam," Zoe teased as she pulled ahead slightly. Liam laughed between breaths. "I'm just letting you think you're winning." Reaching the tree at the same time, they tapped it and immediately turned back toward the starting point. Their legs burned, but neither wanted to slow down. With just a few feet left, Liam put in one last burst of energy. Zoe did the same, and they crossed the finish line. Together. They flopped onto the grass, panting and laughing. "A tie?" Liam asked, staring up at the sky. "That never happens," Zoe grinned. "Guess we're both too good." After catching their breath, Liam sat up. "Okay, how about a rematch?" Zoe chuckled. "Or we race to the ice cream stand instead." Liam's eyes lit up. "Now that's a challenge I can get behind." And just like that, the two friends took off again, this time with ice cream as the prize.